Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo Switch error code 2002-2552. The error reads, "Unable to access game card." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, this error comes while using a physical game card with Nintendo Switch 2 or Nintendo Switch. According to our research, the error likely happens due to system glitches, outdated firmware, dirty or faulty game cards, or issues with the game card slot on the console. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console. To do this, hold the power button for 3 seconds, then select Power Options, followed by Restart. Once done, check for the error again. If the error still comes, make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 or Nintendo Switch console is running the latest system version. Simply go to System Settings and scroll down to System and select System Update. If an update is available, install it and check for the error. If the error still continues, remove the game card from the console and then reinsert it. After reinserting the card, check if the game launches properly. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error still persists, check if there is any software update available for the game you are trying to play. From the home menu, highlight the game and press the plus button. Then select the software update and then select via the internet. After updating, check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, try cleaning the game card. Simply use a soft, dry cloth and gently wipe the card's chip. Once cleaned, reinsert it and see if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, try using other game cards with the console. Simply insert a different game card and check if the same error appears. If the error still comes, then observe if the issue happens with only one game card or multiple cards. If the issue only occurs with a single game card, and that game is published by Nintendo, then the game card is likely defective. If it was purchased less than 30 days ago, you can replace it from the retailer. Keep in mind that as per the information shared on the Nintendo website, Nintendo does not offer any warranty or repair for game cards. And if the game is published by a licensee, then you need to contact the licensee for further support. At last, if the error still persists and it is happening with multiple game cards, then your console may need repair. So, contact Nintendo support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.